Old number 9. So I finally, after driving this thing 150 miles, finally get to see what kind of engine it's got. It's a Ford engine, straight 6. And it's the engine family LFM07-8 EPC7. 1990 model year, light heavy duty. It's a straight 6. It's got an Alcoa intake manifold. And because it spent its entire life in the dry south, everything looks nice and shiny clean, even though it might be a few years old, and everything looks to be in great shape. It's got nice green stripe Fleet Runner belts, and the air filter looks like it's seen better days. You put it up to the light and you try look through it, and I think I need a new air filter. So I also need to grease it, and luckily I've got my trusty AutoZone, whoops, fatality, and a wardrobe failure. Got my trusty Walmart grease gun, and this is the engine oil fill maybe? This is the transmission oil. The transmission doesn't shift especially firmly or crisply, and I understand because it has a reverse position, no park, that it's an Allison. The transmission oil looks like there's something white. Can't see any color. Wow, doesn't look the greatest. But I've got places to go and things to do. I got to hit the road. So hopefully the last 3,000 miles hauling. I was looking at a K5 Blazer. The guy wanted too much money. It was a nice rust-free truck, but he wanted a lot of money. It was side-swiped on one side and just worth a lot less than he was asking. So this video is going to end abruptly. The camera just turns off. The memory is full. I got to delete some stuff. Who knows what to delete. I like